In this quick guide, I'll be showing you Stash Expansion 1. For this, we'll get a bigger stash when we complete it, and all we need to do is extract with 10 nuclear fuel rods and extract 2 radiation blocker bottles. This is very easy to do. All we need to do is start the nuclear hunting missions or whatever contract phones you find around the map, pick up fuel rods, but make absolutely sure that you don't sell them. Instead, you need to extract with them. If you have a large backpack or a medium backpack, you can complete multiple of these missions in one go, usually on Al Mazrah, as that has the most amount of these missions, and by the time that you extract, you may slap 5 of these away in literally one go, or even more. On top of this, the radiation blocker bottles you'll unfortunately find almost anywhere, but usually within hidden stashes, or of course next to the nuclear fuel rods, so it shouldn't be that difficult to find 2 of them throughout the course of this mission. Usually the rad blockers you'll find on the little medkits on walls. These are super easy to find. When it comes to the nuclear rods, you'll need to go to these nuclear missions, such as this one here, secure nuclear material, and there should be maybe 3 or 4 per game. You can probably get this done in a game or 2, depending on how lucky you are. Alright, so usually we can go ahead and pick up any nuclear material contract and start it, and now we should be guided across to picking up a Geiger counter. This will be marked on the map by a green icon, such as this. Unfortunately, it's very far away from me, and I do want to keep this key that's currently on me, so let's see if we can do this quietly. Alright, so making it through with just a minor scratch, we'll grab the Geiger counter, and now we'll need to head across and look on these big circles on the map for little radioactive barrels. Now, while you're holding Q or your tactical button, you'll keep out the Geiger counter, which will slowly count higher and higher the closer you are to these little barrels, and it does change while you're looking around. So simply navigate all the way until it reaches a high of 10, at which point you'll be right on top of a barrel. Right, so anyway, with that small distraction out of the way, here is the radioactive barrel in my case, so I'll grab these nuclear fuel rods as well as any radioactive pills if there are any, and of course we'll go across and see if the second one over here has anything of interest. Right, so now that we're in the correct area here, we'll do a quick 360, and I think it's probably down here in the water somewhere. Obviously the spawn point will be different every game, and there it is. The closer we get to it, the higher to a 10 we get, and eventually it won't really reach 10, but you know that we're practically on top of it when it's super high. Now, we've pretty much done everything here. We can continue on with whatever other missions we have, or of course pick up another nuclear material mission to collect even more to further us towards our goal. Here it is. Right, so let's loot this one as well. We'll take the radiation blocking pills, and we'll continue to the last one over here, where we can either go ahead and grab another one after this mission, or of course maybe a different game. Doesn't really matter how quickly you do this or how slowly, just as long as you do extract with these nuclear fuel rods when you pick them up and collect them. Just keep in mind that you need to not sell these. That is the most important part of this mission. There we go. So I've already got 4 of these. They do stack quite nicely, which is great. And with that, we've now collected a few nuclear rods towards our mission objective. So, checking back, we've now got 2 radiation blocker bottles collected, and we just need 6 more fuel rods, which we could probably do all in one go, nice and easy. Grabbing a Geiger counter once more, let's go ahead and find these barrels. So here's one here, and for the second one, somewhere here, just as I'm pretty much on top of it. There it is. Cool, there we go. Now that we've got these 2, let's get some more, as we need a measly 6 of these, so that's another 2 of these contracts. Grabbing the next one, then the last one of this contract series. Let's go ahead and pick up one final mission. Here's one. And finally, the last one for our stash expansion mission. Now we can simply extract from this map, as we've done everything that we needed to. Right, there we go. We have all of our nuclear fuel rods. And there you have it. We've now finished Stash Expansion 1. So thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.